What is up, fam? Welcome back to Leslie's Tarot. See if I can reach this. Hope y'all are well. I don't think I can reach that. My fingers aren't long enough. Nope, my fingers aren't gonna reach it. Hope y'all are well. Hope y'all are having a fabulous week into your weekend. Because I know Sunday is almost over. Hopefully I might have to change the camera around. Try my best not to have that in the camera. I'm gonna try my best. If I get in the way, then you won't be able to see it. Okay. Lord have mercy. Anyway, let me throw it around a little bit more. Ugh. My bad, y'all. There we go. Okay. Let me move the mouse out the way. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting the setup going. It's just a mess, child. It's a mess. But we gonna get it together here, okay? We gonna get it together. Let me clear this off the screen. Okay, that's better. All right. Scorpios, how are y'all? I hope y'all are having an amazing weekend. It's been a long weekend here. I've had a lot to do. And the plan is to like have another candle burning here once I get it out of the thing. But anyway, let me go ahead and dive in. Let's see. What messages does Scorpio need to know at this time, Spirit? I kind of like this because y'all can see the cards and everything. So that's a good thing. So I want y'all to be able to see the cards. I hate when y'all can't see the cards. All right, Spirit, what's going on? Scorpio. What's up with Scorpio? Or what's going on in Scorpio's energy? Tell me what's going on in Scorpio's energy. What's the energy coming towards my Scorpios? What's coming towards Scorpios, please? What's the energy coming towards Scorpios? What's going on? Whoa. All right, we got pulling strings. That's in reverse. That popped out reverse. And the upright, it says, it's not what you know, it's who you can control. Someone is orchestrating the situation to make sure they stay on top. But that's in reverse. So somebody can't pull strings at this time. Yeah, status symbol. So somebody was trying to pull the strings to because they were chasing clout. Someone's chasing symbols instead of substance and wondering why it still feels empty. All right, so there was somebody around you, Scorpio, that was like manipulating the situation for things to go the way that they wanted them to go. They're not doing that anymore. Or they can't do that anymore. For some reason. So let's see. Let's see if we can find out what's going on here. So I take that as a good thing, Scorpio. You know what I'm saying? I definitely take that as a good thing. They can't manipulate anymore. They can't, or they don't want to, or they can't. So somebody could have been doing this for money, for the rich life, for the good life. What's up with the pulling strings in reverse? Yeah, inside scoop, a closer look, nosy up in your business. It could have something to do with people starting to look into you or look into them. So they can't do this anymore. It's like, okay, like, you know, you had us at first, but now that we're looking into it, now that we're finding out certain things, you can't do this no more. Like you don't have you don't have the manipulative skills to do this anymore. Like that's what I'm getting. Like if this was, yeah, threatening, intimidated, threatening, bothered. Somebody could have been doing this because they were threatened by you or they were trying to intimidate you. They can't do that anymore. You're not scared no more, or whoever was falling for this, they're not scared anymore. It's like you can't so this, you know, this gives me like, well, you're going to have to work the weekend. If you don't work the weekend, you're going to lose your job and whoop-de-whoop-whoop. Okay, now it's like, okay, well, fire me because I'm not working the weekend. Like, it could be that. Or it's like, well, you got to stay with me. We got to work this out for the kids. And it's like, no, we don't. We can do this without being together. We can still co-parent without being together. It's kind of like that, knowing that this person mistreating you and stuff. Is you know what I'm saying? Or, well, you ain't going to be able to live without me because I take care of all the bills. Okay, well, I got a job. I got a job and I make more than you do. You know what I'm saying? It's something like that that's going on here. So what else? What else is happening for Scorpio? What's going on? What's coming in? We have expecting. Okay. So it says a new life is forming. Ready or not, this changes the vibe, the stakes, and the whole storyline. Bam. So some of y'all, something wasn't progressing for you, growing for you, building for you, birthing for you, being fertile for you, or something like that, because somebody was behind the scenes manipulating stuff. Y'all, that's crazy. Look, could have been a drama queen. It says, don't get pulled into the drama. If peace showed up, they'd start a fight out of boredom. So y'all do got a drama queen or king around y'all, okay? This is somebody that like to start mess over anything. They'll start mess over anything. They'll be like, the sky, the sky is blue, obviously, right? No, the sky is red. No, it's not. It's blue. No, it's red. You walk outside, it's obviously blue. No, it's red. It was just red a few minutes ago. Like they would want to argue with you. You know what I'm saying? Or green, because it can be red, I guess. Or green. Or brown. You know what I'm saying? Or something like that. Like, and it's obvious that the sky is blue at the time. What's they expecting? So it looks like y'all got a new beginning birthing for you. Some of y'all could be pregnant. Congratulations. This could have been somebody trying to manipulate you, like, oh, well, you can't get pregnant or something like that, and then you break up with this person, you get with somebody else, and you instantly get pregnant, or you can't start this new job, you get a new job, or you can't do this, or you can't do that, and you do it. It's something like that. What's expecting? What's the expecting card? Low IQ. Yeah, somebody's slow. That's all it is. Somebody's slow. Kissing ass. Now they want to come in and kiss your tail. They can't understand, how did you make this happen? Or they thought you was slow. They could have thought you was slow, Scorpio. Like, Scorpio ain't smart enough to make that happen. Or Scorpio ain't clever enough to do that. And you do it. And then you like, type of thing. You see what I'm saying? Something like that could be happening for you. But of course, you know, beware, because this drama. Look, toxic ties. Somebody wanted to keep you bound or tied to something. Or stuck to something. It says, this isn't a victim-villain story. It's a messy entanglement where both sides are contributing to the destruction. Now, you could have been in a drama or something like that. Maybe you had to do some research on something. Maybe you weren't as smart or as intelligent about a situation, but now you have the intelligence. It's like, okay, well, I don't know how to do this, but I went to school. Okay, I went to school and I learned how to do it. Or I don't know how to do this, but guess what? I did the research and now I know how to do it. It's that type of thing. Look, fantasy world at the top of the deck. Head in the clouds, heart chasing fairy tales. The truth is getting lost in all the sparkle. And court date. So something could be due to court. Okay, maybe like somebody was able to manipulate something or do this or do that, but now the court is getting involved. You see what I'm saying? You're going to get your divorce. You're going to get child support. You're going to separate or get a restraining order or something like that. It's like, maybe now, if this hasn't happened already, maybe this is what you need to do with the low IQ here. Maybe you need to go do your research or get the knowledge that you need to, so that you can have this new beginning. So this, whatever the situation is, they can stop manipulating you. Okay. For some of y'all, the reason why somebody can't manipulate or pull the strings and stuff like that is because they don't know what's going on in your life. So again, be careful the information that you're telling, the people that you're talking to and stuff like that, because it says a closer look nosy up in your business. So if somebody's in your business, then they can take that business like, oh, okay, you're doing this, you're doing that, let me go sabotage it. So be careful with that, okay, as well. All right, what other messages does Scorpio need to know? Give me a couple more. What other messages does Scorpio need to know? Because I'm going to get this reading out tonight, and then I'll upload some more for in the morning. What other messages does Scorpio need to know? What other messages does Scorpio need to know? We have unsent text, okay? It says, a message was typed with intention, then deleted out of fear. The silence says more than the words would have, okay? So somebody could be typing messages and not sending them. This could be you. Maybe you want to text somebody, talk to somebody, but you're not sending it. We got heartbreak. It says, sometimes the worst breakups are the ones that never get full closure. What hurts most isn't the ending, it's the fact that it ever felt so right. So something could be, something, don't go breaking my heart. I don't know why I just heard that. But something could have broke your heart, or somebody feels heartbroken over a situation. Maybe somebody want to text you, or you want to text them, but you just haven't yet. What's up with the unsent text? What's that for Scorpio? What's the unsent text? Fake smiles. Okay, so somebody putting on like they good, they okay, they happy, everything's fine. Nothing's wrong. Everything's fine. Nope, nothing to look at here. But somebody is putting on like they happy, ghosted, disappearing, ghosting, in and out. But see, somebody was either in and out, they were inconsistent. Ma'am, you supposed to be in bed, aren't you? Get in the bed. Hey, Mamacita, in the bed. She's so extra. She is so extra. This girl did a leg bend, a toe touch, and then got into the bed. Just extra. Look, chasing and ghosted. So you could have been, somebody could have been chasing another person, okay? It could have been like a runner chaser dynamic. And now somebody putting on a fake smile like it's all good. Look, happiness hater. Now somebody could feel some type of way because somebody in another connection, another relationship. Somebody could want to text somebody, but they're not. What's up with this? Yeah, this could be breaking somebody's heart. Third wheel. There it is. It says a side character is trying to write themselves into the main plot, but this story already has a leading duo. So, yeah, family feud. The family could be getting involved or something like that. Now somebody's not texting the family anymore or allowing the family to get involved. It says sometimes blood is thicker than water, and sometimes it's just thicker with drama, judgment, and silent grudges. There could be family that was interfering or something. So somebody could be choosing not to text family or not to communicate with family. Okay. Somebody could have like blue or turquoise hair or green hair. Somebody could have like the side shaved. Okay, look at her hair is lovely, honey. Her hair is, somebody could wear like curly top. But somebody could be like putting on a fake smile, like, you know, like I really want to text this person. Like, no, I ain't bothered, but really they bothered. This could be you, this could be them, put it how it fits. But yeah. You supposed to be in the bed. Nope, I don't want to hear it. Get in the bed and lay down. Bedtime. All right, messages for Scorpio. How will Scorpio know this reading is for them? How will Scorpio know that this reading is for them? Give me some clarity and some insight and confirmation so that Scorpio will know that this reading is for them. One card fell on the floor. Hold on. Ouch! I just hit my toe. Oh, I owe you repayment. Somebody can owe you money. We have 3 to 9 months here. I hope y'all can see it. Take a break and get a good night's sleep. So some of y'all need to take a break. Nope, you're not getting that either. Put that back. Get in the bed. We have platinum or rainbow hair. That's why I was picking up. Somebody can have like really, I don't want to say funky because that's not the word. I don't mean it in like a bad way because I love me some beautiful colored hair. But somebody can have like dope colored hair. Okay? Like really dope colored hair. Is it dead? Is the battery dead? Is it dead, baby? It's dead, baby. It's dead, baby. No, it's not. It worked. Here. Now get up there, lay down. New clothes or jewelry. Some of y'all could be getting some new clothes. You could be upgrading your jewelry. Somebody wears black or colorful socks. Something about that could be significant. Okay, tell me more. How will Scorpio know that this reading is for them? Confirmation for them. How will Scorpio know that this reading is for them? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Bottom of the deck. Amazon worker or package. Somebody can either work for Amazon or you're expecting a package to come in, biracial or multiracial. Attack you out of jealousy and bitterness. See? That's what I was getting. Like somebody was manipulating something so that you can have this new beginning or something like that. Somebody could be a cashier. Somebody could be Mexican, Spanish, or Latino. Blue or green eyes or contacts. Stay positive. Your hard work is paying off. Their magic is backfiring, karma playing out. 1 year and 6 months could be significant. Some could be happening next week. We have Starbucks. Cold, sinus, and allergies. Some of y'all may need to, you know, take your vitamin C and stuff like that. You could get cold or sinus issues. Short or long curly hair. See, that's why I was getting a curly top. Old dogs can learn new tricks. So somebody thought that somebody couldn't learn something new. Y'all can't see that because it's green. There you go. Somebody thought that you wasn't going to learn something new or something like that. A Libra could be significant. We have the month of March. 10 to 12 days. Flight, airplane, first class, and economy. A Pisces could be significant. Somebody, a minivan. I never want to talk to them again. So somebody don't want to talk to somebody. Facebook or Instagram. Get in the bed. Long or short lashes. A landlord. A voodoo doll could be significant. And then someone is jealous. Watch your back. See, that's what I was getting. Somebody jealous of you, Scorpio, or somebody feels some type of way. So some of y'all need to be careful. But I'm going to leave it there, Scorpio. I hope this brings you clarity and insight. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.